Entertainment's association with Partition 1947.
So, I think few weeks from now, we'll be all celebrating the 17th independence of this country. And while you have been explaining that while Independence Day is the greatest celebration moment in this country, at the same point of time, that period, that era, was an wound in many lives, many generations.
Of course.
We got associated with this film probably 1.5 couple of years back when these proposals came to us. And for us, we are a filmmaking company. We make different kind of films, but very rarely some subjects come to us where we take the opportunity not only for making a film, but to be a part of the history or to show our respect to that part of the history for the years to come. In our mind, Partition 1947 by Gurinder is that kind of event. So, filmmakers, companies across the globe like Pathé, Reliance Entertainment, BBC, Ingenious, BFI, all of them joined hands together to make this historic film. And I think probably I'm not the correct person to talk about the film or talk about this journey. The person who have worked on it, researched on it, spent years, given her own facts and own knowledge and own historical parts. I'll take this opportunity and request Gurinder Chadha, who is among us this evening. Please come here, and she will be the best person to share.
Super. Thank you so much, Mr. Sarkar. Welcome, Gurinder.
Thank you, Shivashish.
That was a wow trailer that we just saw.
It was wow for me to see it in Hindi. That was very wow. I loved it, loved it.
We also loved it, right? We did, right? We all loved it. There's this thing that I'd like to ask you. इससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़ें, मुझे please बताएं, whenever you made a film, you know, there has been a social message in it with a quirk. हमेशा कुछ रहता है वो एक. लेकिन with this kind of subject, कितना reservation था कि यार, how do I deal with this? Was there any kind of reservation that you had?
Well, all the films I make in some way are about me and autobiographical and about my own story. And this film is also very personal. Right. My ancestors are from Punjab now, which is Pakistan, that part. So growing up in England, I didn't have an ancestral homeland to call my own. So the shadow of partition has been with me throughout my whole life. So for me, this is a personal film, but it also does have a quirk, because what I realized in doing the research was that the history that I had been taught about why partition happened was totally a lie, complete lie. We have been told that partition happened as a reaction to us fighting with each other, whereas my research shows that partition was definitely a political act. Right. It जानबूझ के हुआ था for certain interests.
Right. I'm sure, as I also said earlier, कि this is based on ये जोरदार कहते हैं आप लोग. जी.
Thank you.
हुमा ने बहुत साथ दिया हमको picture में. She was amazing, and I didn't know Huma, and I came to India and auditioned several actresses, but Huma just jumped out at me. I have to say, in the same way that Keira Knightley did for Bend It Like Beckham. I didn't know Keira Knightley either, but Huma had that very natural quality, very feisty, you know, and plus she looked very hutkuti Punjabi, you know. I liked that, and I'm so pleased because all during the shooting, you know, she would question me a lot, you know, and I liked that. Maybe not at the time, but
Definitely not at the time.
but she really, her contribution was fantastic.
I like the way she's listening to this, you know. She's like, what is Gurinder about to say about me, you know?
Yeah, she's a tricky one. You never know what she's going to say. So I have to keep telling her, you can't say this.
Right. You can say a lot of things जो कि हम सुनना चाहते हैं यहाँ पे about your role, the preparations. लेकिन उस सबसे पहले, you know, Partition 1947. How do you relate to this subject?
Well, I think as Indians growing up in India, everyone relates to the partition. We all have, our parents or grandparents have experienced something. तो partition जैसी word आप सुनते हो कहीं ना कहीं emotional connection तो आ ही जाता है. और मेरी family का भी है. Thankfully painful नहीं है क्योंकि कोई भी किसी की भी loss of life नहीं था. But घर छोड़ना या अपने घर वालों या loved ones के बारे में चिंता करना कि वो safe हैं, घर वापस आएंगे या नहीं, it's not a good feeling. And the fact that so many people were forced to leave their homes, they didn't want to. And that choice should not be given to any human being. किसी भी इंसान को force किया जाए कि वो अपना घर छोड़ के चला जाए for a political reason, I think it's not right. And what I loved about the script when I read it, it's such a, I mean, of course, there's the politics and there's all the research that Gurinder and her husband Paul have put in the film, but it's so human, and it talks about something very simple. About humanity, about love, and that's what I loved about the film. And all the characters are flawed, they're passionate, they have ambitions, they have hopes, they have dreams, and you sort of go like कि आज के दुनिया में भी हम देखें तो ये आज भी हो रहा है ना, तो हमने क्या 70 years से कुछ सीखा है, मतलब जो हम क्या वो same mistakes बार-बार ही करते रहेंगे. So I think in a small way, it's all of us have tried to say that.
It's a
Very well said.
It's a very contemporary film, even though it is set 70 years ago. जब हम शुरू किया था फिल्म लिखने के लिए, ओबामा वाज प्रेसिडेंट, सीरिया में कोई जंग नहीं था और यूरोप में ब्रेक्सिट भी नहीं था. कौन सोच सकता था जब ट्रम्प प्रेसिडेंट बनेगा? Who would have thought of Brexit? Nobody would have thought of these things when we started making the film. So during the course of the film, the world went ulta, basically. And I think that now I was in Australia last month, and we released the film there. People really loved the film in Australia because they felt it was very modern. And also in Australia, they have their own border policies, their own divisions, So I think the film is a very Indian story in its heart, but actually it's a very global story because partition, refugees, this is the state of our world today. Politicians will always try and divide us because it's easier to rule us if we're divided.
Right. Australia को छोड़ते हैं, हमारे देश में भी I'm sure ये बहुत धमाका मचाएगी फिल्म. The name is Partition 1947, and now, ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. आप लोग के जो भी सवाल हैं आप पूछ सकते हैं, but before that, we'll have a quick photo op. So I'll take the mics, है ना? Yeah, I'll just take. जी. We have another photo op. मत लीजिए, यहीं रखिए. छोड़ दीजिए. आ रहा है? Thank you so much. Now, yeah, we will do that. We'll have another photo, but we'll just have the question answer round. Yeah. It's over to you. Please be seated. No, please. Please have a seat. Come on, please have a seat.
No, we're good actually.
हुमा जी, जैसा कि हम सभी ने देखा कि इस ट्रेलर में हमने देखा और इस फिल्म में ओमपुरी जी भी हैं, लेकिन अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, तो आई थिंक वो आपके डैडी बने हैं इस फिल्म में, करेक्ट? तो कैसा रहा उनके साथ का एक्सपीरियंस, अगर आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहें, क्योंकि ये उनकी वन ऑफ द लास्ट फिल्म थी, तो अगर आप कुछ बता पाए.
जी बिल्कुल उनकी आखिरी फिल्म में से एक है, और ओम जी मेरे अब्बा प्ले कर रहे हैं फिल्म में, एंड आई थैंक गुरिंदर कि उन्होंने इतने प्यारे अब्बा दिए मुझे, बिकॉज फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट मोमेंट दैट आई मेट हिम, he was just such a lovely person to be with. Of course, he's a very, very fine actor, whether it's been in India or in the West. And we all will fondly remember his huge body of work. But I think वो इंसान बहुत बढ़िया थे. At least he was very warm and loving with me. And he used to call me Beti also. He came to my house, in fact, last year, almost this time, Eid ke time pe. And my parents met him. And it was so lovely to have him over. And I think it's a great loss. And I feel my scenes with him in the film are some of my favorite scenes, especially the one in the back of the car, where हम एक scene कर रहे थे, जब मुझे लगा और गुरिंदर को भी लगा कि अच्छा take है, and he was just sitting next to me. He didn't even have lines, and he said, एक और करते हैं मेरे लिए, and both of us went like, but ये तो अच्छा shot था. And we did another take, and when you see the film, you'll realize it's come out so beautiful and so emotional. And I think only an actor who's worked so much in theatre, in film, in different languages, has that kind of experience to really, I guess, tell, when you really hit the spot.